Is your association in pain? How to tell if you're being undermanaged? Take this simple quiz. Are your volunteers operating at a strategic level above minutiae? Do you have state-of-the-art education? Are your membership systems sufficient to manage, attract, and retain members? Are you communicating with members regularly? Are your bylaws, policies, and procedures updated and enforced? Are you leveraging technology to its fullest? Are you receiving monthly financial reports? Are staff and leaders working together to achieve more than just the status quo? If you answer no to many of these questions, it is likely you are being undermanaged and your association is not operating up to its full potential. Here's why. Are your volunteers operating at a strategic level above minutiae? Your board leaders are volunteers and should be concentrating on high-level strategy and association mission. They should not be concerned with day-to-day operations and minutiae. They should be forward-thinking and anticipate new issues and concerns. If they are spending time with administrative matters, then they are not utilizing their time, talents, and expertise to the fullest. Do you have state-of-the-art education? State-of-the-art education is a must in today's ever-changing environment. Providing online options as well as in-person education is vital. Many members need and/or require attention to meet state or industry certification and performance requirements. Associations without the best education will lose out to others that offer more robust opportunities. Are your membership systems sufficient to manage, attract, and retain members? Your association management software should be user-friendly for both your staff and your members. Your board should also have easy access. It should be integrated with your website, provide online registration and membership renewal and joining options. If it is not doing the job you need and your members are not satisfied, they won't renew, resulting in a critical loss of revenue for the association. Are you communicating with members regularly? Are you sending regular communications to your members like newsletters, blogs, email blasts, and online education and networking opportunities? If you're not, you're losing out on chances to communicate value and tell members why your association offerings are unique and ones that aren't available anywhere else. Are your bylaws, policies, and procedures updated and enforced? If your bylaws and policies and procedures are not being updated regularly and enforced by staff and leaders working together, your association cannot function at its best. Bylaws should be reviewed annually by the appropriate committee to determine if any changes need to be made before submitting them to the membership for approval. Staff should also be defining and developing best practices for every facet of your organizational functions, from membership retention and renewal to meeting and convention management, website redesign, abstract management, financial policies and procedures, etc. Are you making use of the latest technologies and leveraging them to their fullest? Utilizing all the capabilities of your association management software is important, such as surveys, email blasts, website integration, mobile apps, career centers, and certification or continuing education tracking. But you should also be using the latest webinar and online education platforms, dashboards for displaying real-time membership and event management data, and online board portals. Your website should also offer free education through online blogs and opportunities to network and interact through online communities. Exploring all of the new virtual meeting options available is also a must. These features enable members to engage and create value for the organization. Are you receiving monthly financial reports? You should have a clear picture of your financial status on a monthly basis. Leaders should receive regular reports that show current bank statements and/or investment statements, consecutive deposit and check detail, and monthly financial statements. These financial statements should include a statement of financial position reporting assets, liabilities, and net assets, as well as a statement of activities which reports the revenue and expenses of the organization with year-to-date detail as compared to budget and previous years. Are staff and leaders working together to achieve more than just the status quo? Your board should be heavily involved in charting the future and having the duty of foresight to see ahead and steer a new course and be mindful of all likely challenges and opportunities. Leaders should look beyond the here and now and create ways to make things better, to exceed their expectations as well as member expectations in order to best further their association's mission. Contact us at info@associationacumen.com or visit us at www.associationacumen.com/contact to submit a request for proposal for management services.